The Galaxy S24 series is finally getting a big update. Samsung has started rolling out the new One UI 8 software, which is based on Android 16, just a few days ago. The update went live in South Korea, and now it's reaching international users. Starting with the UK, if Samsung follows its usual schedule, the update should be available in many more regions around the world before the end of the week. Right now, the update is showing up first for people who joined the One UI 8 beta program. If you were part of the beta, you might already see the notification on your Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, or S24 Ultra. But don't worry if you weren't in the beta. Samsung always starts with beta testers and then releases the update to everyone else. Based on past rollouts, the wider release usually follows quickly, though in some markets it could take until early October. If you want to check for the update, the process is easy. Open the Settings app on your Galaxy S24, scroll down to Software Update, and tap Download and Install. Once the update is available in your region, it will start downloading. To make sure everything goes smoothly, it's a good idea to back up your important data first. Make sure you have enough free storage and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. Taking these simple steps will help avoid problems during the update. Now, what makes One UI 8 special? Since it's based on Android 16, it comes with not just a new look but also smarter features, more AI tools, and more ways to personalize your phone. Samsung has worked on making the interface smoother and cleaner, while also improving performance and battery life. If you've been using One UI 7, the differences will be easy to spot. You'll notice redesigned icons, better multitasking tools, and new lock screen customization options. AI features are also a big part of the update, helping make the phone smarter in daily use. Samsung has also improved privacy and security with better app permission controls and more options to manage background activity. This means you'll get not just a nicer looking phone, but also better protection for your data. Samsung has also focused on making its ecosystem feel more connected. If you own other Galaxy devices like tablets, watches, or SmartThings gadgets, One UI 8 makes it easier to use them together. For example, Samsung recently introduced AI Home, which helps turn your Galaxy phone into a hub for your smart home. This kind of integration is becoming more important as people use multiple devices every day. To show off the changes, Samsung has even released comparisons between One UI 7 and One UI 8. These highlight the improvement in animations, navigation, and built-in apps. It's clear that this is more than just a small update. It's designed to make the Galaxy S24 series feel fresh and modern again. If you're using an older Galaxy phone, you might be wondering if you'll get the update too. The easiest way to find out is by checking the Samsung Members app. Go to the Notices section, and you'll see the official schedule for your device. Keep in mind that the release can vary by country and carrier, so some users may have to wait a little longer. Updates like this are important because they extend the life of your phone. Instead of buying a new model every year, a major software upgrade can give your current device new features and a better experience. The Galaxy S20 Ultra, for example, stayed popular for a long time thanks to strong software support. Now the Galaxy S24 series is set to benefit in the same way with One UI 8. In short, Samsung is now rolling out the One UI 8 update to Galaxy S24 phones around the world. It started in South Korea and the UK, but more regions are next. The update brings new designs, smarter AI features, stronger security, and better connections with other Galaxy devices. If you have a Galaxy S24 model, check your software update menu often. Over the next few days, you might see the download become available. This move from One UI 7 to One UI 8 shows how Samsung keeps improving its phones through software. Whether you care about performance, design, or smart features, this update has something for everyone. It's another step in making the Galaxy experience better than ever.